Hare Krishna, Vayasaki Guru.
Hare Krishna.
I just wanted to ask, do you have any advice for overcoming obstacles in spiritual life and Krishna consciousness?
Well, obstacles in spiritual life, in Krishna consciousness, you want to know about that, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, there are no obstacles in spiritual life in Krishna consciousness. What we see as obstacles are merely challenges. And we're given a little challenge to overcome so that we grow and become stronger in devotional service. So Krishna will never give an obstacle or a challenge that you can't overcome, because that doesn't make any sense. Every challenge or obstacle that he gives you, you can overcome. And by overcoming, you get stronger in devotional service. We can see that even in the life of Srila Prabhupada. So many apparent obstacles were there. He had heart attacks on the boat, so many difficulties. But they were just challenges for him to meet and overcome and get stronger and more determined and more dedicated, so that whatever obstacles did come from the material world, he could easily overcome them. So when we see them as challenges, then we accept that challenge. Okay, I can do this, because Krishna's not going to give a challenge that you cannot possibly overcome. It doesn't make sense. So we can overcome them. But in our weakness, we may fail. That failing, we don't become stronger. So we have to understand the mentality, the truth that actually we can overcome these, that Krishna's putting this challenge so that I can become stronger and I can overcome it by his help. You have to ask for his help. My dear Lord Krishna, there's so many obstacles in my life, in the material world. I'm suffering. Please help me. And this is what Krishna says in the 11th canto. He tells Uddhava that devotees should pray to him like that, like what I just said, for help, that they're suffering in the material world, and he will help them. But if they don't pray and ask for his help, then Krishna is a perfect gentleman. He doesn't interfere with your life. If you want to go on your own, fair, no problem. But if you ask him, then he's very happy to step in and help you. So, first of all, they're challenges, not obstacles, and Krishna will help us. We have to ask for that help. Then we can overcome. And we get stronger and stronger. But it's in the case of Srila Prabhupada, even up to the pure devotee stage, you're still going to be tested. The tests never stop. The challenges never stop. So we have to understand that and just become so strong in our devotional service that we can easily overcome these obstacles and make advancement in devotional life.
Thank you. I guess in Srila Prabhupada's case, his challenges were not so much for himself to deepen his love for Krishna, but more so to inspire us that we can do the same. We can overcome these challenges.
Right. See, we don't have the same challenges he had. 2 heart attacks, and he just carried on. So Krishna's not going to give us that kind of a challenge, obviously. The obstacles he puts in front of us, they're minor. We can easily overcome them. And he wants us to overcome them. He wants us to become stronger and more dedicated and more committed. But it's our mind that says, oh, this is too difficult. So you never listen to your mind. Never, ever. Just follow the Shastra, follow instructions, coming in parampara. Okay?
Until your mind becomes your best friend.
Yeah, right.
But to get to that stage, you got to block him out.
Yeah.
Block out the mind.
Right. You have understood.
Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.